Hello guys, I'm Dusan and I'm the Bitcoin educator from Slovakia that chose to learn Spanish with Global Spanish. I was very intrigued by the level of proficiency and the level of testimonials that I received for Global Spanish. In the end, I chose to work with Alex, the Spanish teacher. And I was so blown away by her attitude and also by her style of teaching. So it's mostly about conversations. I'm learning right now the past tense, which helps me a lot in conversations. And thanks to her and thanks to Global Spanish and the whole methodology, I managed to already communicate in Spanish almost fluently in the basic conversations in just a couple of weeks, which is amazing. I'm really amazed by that. And also the prices are amazing as well. Roughly $10 to $15 per one-to-one class. You cannot get it anywhere else. So I definitely recommend choosing Global Spanish for your Spanish learning and choosing any teacher from their team because they are super great. And I hope that you're gonna learn to communicate in Spanish and learn this beautiful language, and it helps you in your career or getting new friends and meeting the world. Thank you. Choose Global Spanish.